Hello friends, this is Samuel once again from Sonitech. Okay, so in this one I'm going to show you how to add your code base or your project to a GitHub repository owned by someone else. So I'm going to be using my schools projects for this tutorial. Okay, so I'd like to see if you are new to my channel, you haven't subscribed yet, consider subscribing. Please like this video, please share, and please comment as well. You can as well check my GitHub playlist. I have lots and lots of interesting content about Git and GitHub. Okay, so let's jump right in. So I'm going to open my browser, and this is the GitHub repo I'm going to be using for this tutorial. I'm going to grab the GitHub link here. So click on code and I'm going to grab this guy. I'm going to clone this repository locally onto my machine. So I'm going to do that on my desktop. I'm going to create an empty folder and call it tutorial. So tut. I'm going to open this guy in my terminal. Okay, so great. Okay. So when we do ls, there's nothing in here. So let's check. I'm going to go back to check if everything is wired up correctly. Okay, so it's my desktop. So cd back into suits. Okay, so wait. Because I'm going to do, let's clear this. I'm going to do git clone. I'm going to paste the link here. So it's cloning into Sapon. Okay, because when you check here, we have Sapon as the name of the repo. Okay, so it's successful. So now let's go back into our UI or into my desktop and let's check. So we have Sapon and it shows everything here. We can confirm by checking the GitHub itself. So we see it's the same. Okay, so great. Okay, so the next part is going to be creating the JavaFX project. Okay, so we're going to be adding our project to this so we can push it to the cloud. Okay, so great. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and search for IntelliJ. Okay, you can always buy me a coffee. Use the link in the description down below. Okay, let's give this a moment. Okay, so I'm going to create a new project. Okay, so oops, what's happening? Okay, so IntelliJ is a bit heavy, that's why it's keeping long to start. Okay, so great. So I'm going to choose JavaFX and I'm going to name this project using my name. So John Doe. Okay, so next I'm going to go into my desktop where I created or I cloned the repository. So it's here. I'm going to grab this. I'm going to click here and grab this part. I'm going to copy this and paste this here. So you should make sure that it's the same way. Okay, so actually this part of the video is for my colleagues actually. So if you're watching this video, the first part is for you. And I'll continue with the second part as well, the third part as well. Okay, so great. I'm going to choose Java as our language and the build system is going to be Maven. You can choose Gradle or whatever you want. And here you can download the latest version of Java of the JDK. I'm going to skip that. Make sure that you selected JavaFX. I'm going to hit next. And you can ignore this or you can check this. So I'm going to ignore this for now. Okay, I'm going to create this. Okay, so great. So right now let's see what we have here. Okay, so choose. Okay, so John is here, showing here. So now John is on our machine locally. So next we are supposed to push this to the cloud. That's what we're going to be doing now. So now let's head over to our terminal and we can do ls once again so we can cd into Sapon. So now let's clear. So now we can do get stickers. Okay, so it shows that John Doe has been added. So now let's add John Doe. So get add space full stop. Okay, so okay. So now we can do get commit dash m and we can pass in our commit message. So hello Java. This is a tutorial, or let's make a test. Okay, so great. So now we can do get push origin main, or you can do it in master depending on the branch name, whether it's main or master. Okay, so I'm sure I'm going to get an error because we need to pull before we push. Okay, so let's give this some time. Okay. Internet has been a bit slow. Okay, so it went successfully. So now let's head over back to GitHub and let's do a hot reload. Okay, boom, so John is here. Okay, so great. Okay, so guys, essentially we've come to the end of our video. Thanks so much for watching this one. Don't forget to give this video a like, please comment, please share.